Guess what? Back in the kitchen. This time for pesto. Okay, this is one of my favorites, and it will be in the store tomorrow for Mother's Day. So check out all the fresh basil. Okay, I don't know, there's a lot of good smells on the farm. This one's really good. I don't know if you love basil or not, but it's really good. So what we have in here, I'm gonna give you the recipe. There's 4 cups of basil. Okay, so 4 cups of basil. Now this is, remember, everything on the farm is big. This is a big food processor. So there's 4 cups of basil. There's a 1/2 cup of walnuts. Look at these walnuts. This is walnut pieces. Beautiful raw walnuts. There's a 1/2 cup of walnuts. There's 4 large cloves of garlic. Remember, you can freeze garlic. And there's 1 cup of olive oil going in. And there's 1 cup of farm Parmesan cheese. And there's salt to taste. Depends on whose taste as to how salty it is. And then I'm just gonna mix it up. Come take a look. You can see in there. See that? I wish you could smell this. Better yet, I wish you could taste it. It tastes so good. All right, do you wanna see what it looks like? All right, I'm gonna scrape the sides and we're gonna grind it a little bit more. And we're having pasta with pesto for my Mother's Day treat. The guys are making Mother's Day lunch and breakfast too. Pretty exciting. Okay, you ready? Want to see it now? Yum! Basil pesto. Stop by the store. See you later.